Welcome to a GM Vanguard Tech Blast. If the quality happens to not be as good, it just has to do with your internet speed. So choose to watch this where you have a good connection and it'll be more clear. Anyway, today, in the comfort of wherever you are, we're going to share information on creating reoccurring events in iCal. In the bottom of your computer screen in your dock should be an icon of a little daily calendar. It'll say whatever today's date is. You're going to click on that, and that's going to bring you to your iCal app. Within there, what we're going to do is generate an event. And so on whatever day the event is, you're going to double click with your mouse and type in faculty meeting or whatever event it is. At that point, you just hit enter on your keyboard. So right there, you just created an event to organize your life a little bit in iCal. Now we're going to go a little bit further here and double click on that event. That's going to bring up some more detailed information. In the location section, I can actually put in that it's in the library so I don't forget. The event is not an all-day thing, so I'm going to uncheck that and click with my mouse, and it starts at 8:25, and I'm just moving with my mouse or with my tab or keys on the keyboard, the arrows. And you can move up and down for AM and PM. And then I'm going to go ahead and it's going to end at 8:45, and again moving with the keys on the keyboard to AM. And so you're all set there. Now I want it to repeat because our faculty meetings exist on the first Wednesday of every month. And so you can choose every day, every week at that same time, but I actually want to do custom, and we want to be monthly rather than daily or weekly. And I'm going to choose on the first Wednesday of each month and hit OK. So now we just create a custom repetition of this event. And we actually do want it to end, so I'm just going to choose on June 4th. And again, I'm just using tab and the arrow keys to move through that. You can mark it with a certain color code. I'll just leave it on school. And because of how busy we all are and all the multitasking, it's easy to forget things. So this nice feature is an alert. It'll actually jump out right in your face if you want. And so I'm going to click the alert, and I can have it just message me silently on my computer, or I can have it pop in my face with a message and a little sound. You can also have it email you at 15 minutes before, or days before, a few hours before, whichever you'd like. I'm actually going to go ahead and just have it do message with sound. Underneath, though, there are some preset ones. So I see one that says play sound 2 days before. I'm going to go ahead and click that. A 2-day before reminder is great for me. And so you can set that one. If you want to set another one to email you, you can. At that point, you hit done, and you just created a reoccurring event that actually will remind you the day or two before that it's going to be happening. And so here's August's faculty meeting. If I click the arrows to go to September, you can see it already put in for me the first Wednesday of September that I have a faculty meeting, and it will still give me a 2-day reminder. And again, down here on the first Wednesday of October, happens to be the 2nd, I already have the event reoccurring, and it'll go all the way through until June, like I said. So that's how you create a reoccurring event with an alarm to jump in your face and remind you about it. So there's how to create those iCal events.